Come in on the work, sir.
What kind of work?
Make it police work, sir.
Why you want the police work?
I got no love, sir.
Yeah?
I told you, sir. I'm going to go after the weapon.
Which weapon that?
This one, sir.
Kind of weapon?
This CDS, sir. I thought he had, sir.
What?
I saw that gun, sir.
So you use that though?
We carry in my pocket, sir.
And where you use it
I
though?
don't use nothing, sir. If a man show me the kid, I will do this, sir.
You want to go prison, man?
No, sir.
So you walk around with that for?
Yeah, I take it in, sir.
Yeah?
I take it inside, sir.
No, man.
Alright, sir. But I do my duty, sir.
What kind of duty?
Police duty. You see, you may be right, sir.
So where your uniform there?
Then my uniform inside there, sir.
Where?
Inside when I bought it, sir.
Or you reaching there?
Put in there, sir. Put your hammer cell around there.
When you put in there?
When I come in a while ago, sir.
Me didn't see you coming here.
When I come in, I come on, sir, with the people come front.
What kind of uniform you wear?
Red CU, red team, sir. Yes, sir.
So where rank you be?
Soldier, sir.
And soldier not different from policeman?
And the policeman said yes, sir. Police and soldier, sir. I'm trained that, sir. Yes, sir. I'm trained that, sir.
Okay. So what kind of duty you want to do?
I want to come on duty now, sir.
To do what?
To kill bad man, sir. Yes, sir.
Where duty name you do? Patrol or what? Station guard, where you do?
Two of them.
Can't do two of them one time, you know you do?
Patrol.
Patrol?
Hey, then say police is stop shoot people, so you want to come in
No, I
and
kill
force?
thieves, sir.
No, then say police must stop shoot
No, sir,
people.
no, stop, sir.
Yes,
No,
you want
sir.
in the come we lock you up.
The police stop shoot thieves, sir.
We say in the come we lock you up.
Then I lock up me, sir.
Yes, man.
We kill thieves, sir.
Yes.
No, sir, thieves.
You must arrest them and send them and bring them before the court.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
And let the court find them guilty or not guilty. You can't shoot them.
Alright, sir.
You got prison, they come with charge and lock you up.
Yes, sir.
And you go up on suspension
Yes,
or interdiction
Yes, sir.
or dismissal.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Alright, sir.
So dismiss yourself now.
Yes, sir.